In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see or view the size of your Dell's laptop, tablet, or desktop computer's hard drive. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, scroll down to the bottom where it says about. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down again on this page, there should be something that says storage underneath related. Go ahead and select that. And then this should tell you how large your hard drive is right up here at the top. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.